Welcome to Small Talk Wednesday, April 21st, 2010. This morning we're going to look at using Oracle and ObjectStudio with large objects, specifically CLOBs and BLOBs. And to do this, first thing I had to do is load an application. I've already done this, so I'm just showing you what I've got. Oracle Database Client, I've already loaded it. So I brought that in, and more importantly, I've already logged into the Oracle database using this kind of code right here. So I've set up an alias of Oracle DB, and I can log in using this kind of code right here. Just tell it to access the database using that alias. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drop a table because I'm going to create it fresh. Let's just make sure it's not there. And now once that's done, what I can do is I can create my object. So I'm going to create a table. I'm going to throw 2 megabytes of data into each one of these tables and just execute that. So we'll go ahead and do that, insert it, and see how long it takes to run with the default buffer size of 32K to insert the data in. So we'll do it. And it's going to run for a moment. And if I pop the transcript up, let's go down here a little bit and actually see how long it took to run. Do it. And you can see that took 3.2 seconds. Not an incredibly long period of time, but still a decent amount of wait time for a person sitting in front of a console. So let's go ahead and set the buffer size to 1 megabyte rather. One thing you should keep in mind, this may not immediately improve performance. It depends on a lot of factors, what kind of network connectivity you have, how your network is set up, whether you're working on a local database or a remote one. There are a ton of things. This may come out faster, it may come out slower. In general, it should be more optimal, and it's a configuration option you can use. So let's go ahead and try this. We'll set it up to 1 megabyte. Go ahead and do it. Inserting the same data. And you see that came out to 3.9 seconds. Not really faster, but again, it's going to vary depending on your configuration. The important thing to keep in mind is that you need to experiment based on your actual setup, and you can do that by setting the large object buffer size programmatically. So what we're going to do again is we're going to do a select, pulling stuff out. Let's try pulling stuff out with the default size of 32K, and we'll try that. Do it. And you see that pretty fast, 128 milliseconds. Let's set the buffer size up to 1 megabyte and try it again. So we'll do it, and print that out. And again, 52 milliseconds, so significantly faster on the pull side when you set the buffer bigger, and that makes sense. So these are options you can use. I'm going to put this script in the workspace here into the show notes so that you can see this and experiment with it yourself. But this is stuff you can do with ObjectStudio and the Oracle database to more tightly control what you're doing and maybe optimize based on experimental results you get yourself. The important thing to realize is that this is a set of options you can set yourself, and you need to go ahead and set those and experiment and do some timing results on your own with your own data and your own setup. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with small talk.